helping baby get in the right place.
Well, and with the relaxin hormone that you've got going through your body, a lot of times it can be pretty easy to move this. Good. A little bit there. Good. Perfect. On your back.
Awesome.
Nice. That's what we wanted. Okay. Let me go ahead and do a hip socket adjustment here. Just a little pull. Good.
Oh, that was nice.
Okay, let me get this one. And then you will be ready for baby.
Oh, I feel better already.
All right, come on up.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Okay.
that was great. I feel like a new woman.